Everybody knows how many Range Rover Sports we sell, but this has just arrived. Do your research online because this car's all about the specification. 23 D300 Dynamic SE in Santorini Black. Key extras on this car. 23-inch wheels, sliding sunroof, cloud interior, heads-up display, electric tow bar, and black exterior pack. It's also got mud flaps. It's tremendous spec, the right colour combination, but it's things like heads-up display. We've sold 100 new Range Rover Sports, Dynamic SEs. I think I've had one previous one that's had head-up display. It's then got the 23s as well, which transforms the look of the car. Black exterior and the cloud interior. It's beautiful. The wheels, multi-spoke, gloss black, and then the Brembo brake calipers in black. The little mud flaps there, just protection. Privacy glass in the back again, another great feature, but it's just a lovely looking car, all black. Car's done 700 miles. It's got 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. Everyone I've had like this, which has got this type of spec, just comes in and sells instantly. I'll start in the back. It's got a beautiful cloud interior. So look at this. So you've got Meridian speakers, you've got rear electric seat, and then you've got this beautiful interior. So you've got the cloud, then the ebony in the centre, and the cloud the other side. Rear heated seats as well. Beautiful interior, lighter roof lining, and it's got the sliding sunroof. Keyless entry, and then as we move on, look at that you've got memory seats, and then that interior, so 20-way heated, beautiful interior, cloud and ebony steering wheel, and then let me just show you these extras. So, start the car up. Let me shut that door. So we've got standard features on this car, which you get as standard: heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise. Look at that two-tone steering wheel, heads-up display, massive optional extra. Customers love it. It's a big extra, but people don't normally pay the extra for it. Somebody has. This car's got it. The customer who buys this car have got that great benefit. We've got internal blind. These cars come standard with a glass roof. This car's got a tilt and sliding sunroof. Great feature again. You've then got your 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen, which has got that larger screen. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay. You can drop your phone and it just charges under there as well. Camera system is superb. We've got full 3D surround camera system, and we've got tow and assist. This car's got an electric deployable tow bar. That is another optional extra, which I forgot to mention. Back into the main menu, you've got heated seats in the front, just show you. And you've got heated seats in the rear as well, which can be adjusted. There's buttons in the back, or you can do it off here. You've then got cabin lighting. You can just see it illuminated under the display there as well. Seating position's lovely in the new Sport. They've raised this centre section, so it feels that little bit more sporty when you sat inside. But the car is beautiful, but it's all about the spec. Heads up, 23s, sliding sunroof, electric deployable tow bar, black pack, and privacy glass. In the rear, electric tailgate, great boot space. Press the button, and then you've got electric deployable tow bar. Even if you're not using it, and I've said it in previous videos, it's a great extra to have. The car's going live. It'll sell because people will recognise that it's got all the spec. Give me a call. The number's on the bottom of the screen.